concentration, you're looking at your phone or whatever, and you end up in that little patch of dirty snow on the right. Using the Samsung pen to record or activate the camera. I mean, and another one. Can't park there, man. It even says like there's a couple of signs before getting here that says to slow down. Even the limit is 50. They lowered the limit. Budsy. Got pulled over. I don't know why. I saw him pass and I saw the cop pass also. But it didn't seem like he was doing anything. At least scan the plates sometimes and find something, but things are newer, I'd say. Even though there's old houses and such, there's a boat.